In the air, gone, straight to mid-on. First wicket for Australia and strong.
Doesn't make any kind of mistake. A miss-hit, finally a miss-hit. Could this be a moment? Could it? One of the great catches under pressure you will ever see. My goodness gracious me. Is that a match turner? Well touched there. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Australia on fire here. They've got 3 in the first 11 overs. India are reeling a wee bit in front of their own full house.
At almost 90. Oh, he's gone here. Inside edge. Back onto the stumps. And this is a massive blow.
Oh, good ball, good ball. The finger will go up.
So I can assure you, when you're out there batting and you get this delivery, swinging late, nipping off the seam, that has moved a lot.
Oh, went for the big one, got the edge. Shami probably thought I'll go along on, another goes down. Left him as so many deliveries are. Stark picks up another. Oh, that could be close. The finger will go up. Bumrah will have a little conversation. Are they going to review? No, they don't. He's walking. Oh, that should be taken. That should be taken, and that's the last flicker of hope.